you know that in the past, the lion was considered a very dangerous animal? But today, many people see him as a relatively harmless fellow. You see, he's a bit lazy. He spends hours of his day resting. Of course, I don't want to get the wrong impression of him because he usually hears trotted himself. Because he can be a predator and he can be deadly. Lions have very sharp teeth.
The face.
Okay, 3, 2. Bush babies also have really big ears to help them hear at night, but they have a special added feature. Bush babies also have really big ears to help them hear at night, but they
Leave me alone.
Hours off. Go.
If you'd like to help one of these intelligent, gorgeous, and...
Sorry.